already.
Already? We haven't even started. How you guys feeling?
Bad.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. It is our day, our 5th day in Hawaii, in Honolulu. And Micah just went for a walk to get us some nice breakfast. She got me a nice poke bowl with some tuna. Then she got a acai bowl. What flavor is that? Chocolate?
The original, I don't know. No, it's like a berry.
Is it nice? Hey, good morning.
No, good morning.
You're grumpy. I'm just sorting out the files for...
You didn't show your Pokeball.
I'm gonna go try it. Hey, first Pokeball from straight from Hawaii.
Straight from Hawaii, what do you mean?
Because we had a Pokeball back home.
What's that?
Fish.
Interesting, it's spicy.
Spicy? I didn't get the spicy one, I don't think. Is it good though?
It's nice.
Careful guys, you might spill it.
There's too much people.
People?
Huh?
It's just you and Ate. Wait, no.
I think
Alright,
you'll like
yeah.
it though.
I don't like raw fish, so I'm not gonna eat that. Do you want to try that? I think you like fish, don't you?
Ew, I don't like classic.
Alright, we're gonna eat now. Bye.
Okay, bye. Where are we going today?
To your mama.
Really? Where are we going today?
I exactly know.
There,
Yeah?
I think. Yeah, Hawaiian Ship Company parking.
The destination is on your left.
So random.
Hawaiian Ship Company.
Okay guys, so this chip place makes them fresh for you, and then at the end when you order them, when you get them, you can season them yourself with a lot of the other seasonings like furikake, adobo, look, with a hint of vinegar, Cajun, zesty garlic, salt, Maui onion, Kiawe barbecue, and Kilua fire, but I don't think we'll get that. Is this where they sell them? Hey, they sell them in Australia.
What?
But not in Melbourne.
You can wait, call and grab a chip, give it to the canister.
Okay, you want to try which one?
Yeah, try it.
I have no idea.
Good? Yeah? Would you want to put flavor on it?
Flavor, I want to try the onion.
Take a bag so you can throw some chips in just for the kids to eat out of.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Good?
Yum, that's a lot, man.
I think we should have got the bag. Alright, we're gonna try.
I might buy some Ziplocs. Careful they are.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How are you doing, okay?
Hello everyone. So after a few hiccups in the morning,
Nuggets.
we are at Popeye's drive-thru.
What do they have?
Not chicken.
You can get some Popeyes.
Chicken.
Probably one of the best chicken you can ever try in
She
America.
wants chicken, Mom.
And then you got one biscuit on this side, one mashed potato, and one strawberry pie.
Yeah, that's correct. Thank you.
20 to 16, thank you.
Hi. My friend.
Yep. That's 22.16. Look.
Did that just spin?
Yeah.
I didn't get it. Why?
You put the money in and then it goes to the other side.
Oh, it's like COVID safe sort of thing.
It's just because they probably don't want to rob you. In case of robberies, I guess.
Really?
I guess so.
That is
Thank you.
so interesting. Why do we love America?
Because of the food.
The food. That's it.
Yeah,
What about their
love.
food?
They also have Disneyland, but we can't go to Disneyland here.
We can. If we fly to LA. Alright, now we're gonna get the food. Oh wow, it does spin. Interesting. They should get these in Australia.
Where's that food, huh?
Oh my god, look, it's your kids' meals. You should see my stories. It's all just food, one after the other.
Like a robot.
Okay guys, we're gonna walk up to the famous Diamond Head. We're inside the crater right now.
We're going hiking now.
Where are we? Where are you?
I'm tiring already.
Already? We haven't even started. Are you ready to walk up? If you can do 16,000 steps in Japan, you can do a little bit of walking here, yeah?
Yeah.
You tired already? Look, we're getting left behind. Come on, Leah. Come on, Leah.
I can go faster. You're safe.
I thought it was not that far, but look at all the other people. Look at all the other people walking. Oh no.
Nope, you're good.
Thank you. Look girls, there it is.
Oh my gosh, Aliyah, not too close.
Wow. Oh, that's scary.
Oh my god, Leah, do not go near there. Chris.
What is this?
Look, that's where we park. I can see the car from here. How you guys feeling?
Bad.
I think the heat makes it even more tiring. Let's keep going.
Alright, wait. Say this one first. Say cheese.
Oh, it's really dark in here.
Say cheese. Cheese.
I can't find this slide. This is really hard.
Go. Look.
It's still steep block.
It's nice in here though. People coming behind
I
us.
feel claustrophobic.
Alright,
Oh.
if you want to go there, then let's go.
Nah, we're going left. I'd rather go down that way.
Oh my god.
Wow, that's so steep. Man, that's scary. Guys, not yet.
Alright, you go on. Wait.
Oh.
Leah, please hold on.
You made it, guys. How do you feel?
Tired and I didn't like that. I wouldn't. It's not worth it. Don't go here, guys.
Why? It was a
No,
nice view.
Do you want to see my slip?
No, no thanks. Okay, bye, bye. Okay everyone, we are at the famous Lanikai Beach. We finally made it. What a nice entrance to the beach.
I know, good.
Wow! Look at the water, it's so blue. Look at the sand, it's so white as well. Okay guys, we just came from the beach. Now we're at Buzz's Steakhouse. I think this is our local favorite, so we'll see. What does it say? It actually says poo-poo.
Can I just get... Babe.
Don't joke me.
I'm not joking you. Look, it
Why
says
does it say
Babe.
poo.
Let me see. Calamari steak.
Oh, yummy. We got 2 steaks, steak fries, calamari steak, rub, rice, and some mashed potato. Yum.
Hello. We're gonna eat now. I'm gonna get a photo for Yum. Cucumber. Mom, cucumber.
Oh my god, yum. That's good.
Okay guys, we are at Target after our meal. Very delicious. The Starbucks in the Target. Let's all say goodnight now. Say goodnight now.